In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct an envelope in Docusign. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with electronic signatures, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process, making it simple and straightforward. Now let's dive in and get you up to speed on how to make corrections to your Docusign envelopes. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar with it, Docusign is the leading platform in electronic signature solutions, offering intelligent agreement management. Once you're on their homepage, the first action you'll need to take is to log in. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you're new to Docusign, you might need to create an account first, otherwise simply enter your credentials and sign in. With access to your account now, you should find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your documents and agreements. From here, you'll want to look for the Agreements section. Navigate to it by following the link or button labelled Agreements. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed overview of all your current agreements within Docusign. Now, you'll need to locate the specific envelope you wish to correct. To do this, look through the list until you find the envelope in question. Once you've spotted it, focus your attention on the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. This is usually found beside the envelope or agreement that you're looking to edit. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. The one you're interested in at this moment is Correct. Select Correct from the menu, and this will allow you to modify the details of your envelope. It's important to note that any corrections you make from this point will be saved automatically, so ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks and a couple of selections, you've managed to correct an envelope in Docusign. Remember, this process can be repeated as needed for any documents requiring changes. These steps are handy not only for fixing any errors that might have slipped through the cracks, but also for updating information as circumstances change. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to correct an envelope in Docusign. We hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Have a great day and happy DocuSigning.